Welcome. If you want to enter split screen in your SHARP Aquos R2, and first you have to open one of the apps that you are going to use, so I'll go for the Google Chrome. And also we can open, for example, Messages. Okay, never mind, just skip this one. Let's go for another one. Let's open Calculator. Right now, click right here to open the background apps. Click on the icon of the application, select split screen, and then pick the second application from the background. So as I said before, we are going to use Google Chrome. As you can see, right now we can work on the two apps at the same time. And if you want to close this mode, you have to swipe like that. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.